Welcome to Alloy, the world's first connected asset management system built specifically for the web. It works in all modern browsers. After login, you are immediately presented with a map showing your network. On the left, a dashboard displays key information about your assets. Add new base maps in Alloy simply and easily by providing a WMS URL. You only need to add a new name for your new base map and Alloy can integrate the new map immediately. Interact with sections on your network and see related information, whether it be a linear network of roads or a polygon network of parks and green areas. Turn on asset layers and Alloy displays multiple asset types at the same time and allows you to explore details about each asset. The software also stores a componentized view of assets, allowing you to organize large amounts of information about an asset into separate components, and all in line with ISO 55000. Alloy also includes voice control search capabilities, allowing you to find anything stored in the software. The search function in Alloy allows you to search across multiple different items, assets, jobs, and inspections, etc., from one place using any search term. PolySelect allows activities to be created against multiple assets at once and the easy creation of projects of work. Alloy uniquely offers street lighting visualization with Nightscape, allowing you to quickly see lighting types and profiles. Sensor and control components can also be added to your assets, allowing you to gather data and control them directly. Alloy, Connected Asset Management by Yotta.